8 o'clock, we're home.
Look at that.
It's usually like 11 o'clock.
It's yeah, and
Yeah,
it's exactly 1 mile.
Is it?
Yeah.
1 mile. 1 mile.
Did this get out earlier or is it?
Oh yeah.
They started early.
They usually start 7 or 8. 8.
Well, I mean, next week it says 8 o'clock.
Yeah, Friday. Oh man, stay in the road.
Yeah, you can watch it. Some of your phone. Yell at you.
Hon, get ready. You know, hon?
What?
When we
She's
get
not
by the
going.
house. You know what?
Oh.
Oh,
Yes.
man.
When we get by the house now, we go Trump, 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 Trump.
You're funny, Trump.
Right?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, let me open the garage so I can put some lights on.
Trump, 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 Trump.
Watch you.
Oh, sorry. Pay attention again.
As a country like a big business, the,
It looks like these Hondas would have come out with that damn garage door in there.
Okay.
yeah, oh, you got it.
Yeah.
Oh, Trumpy. Now, hey, can he do any worse than this
No.
thing